YouTube fam. Ever wonder about the silent beauty buster in our lives? I'm talking about blue radiation. Hold up, it's not just a tech thing, it's affecting our skin. Modern gadgets are showering us with blue light, and guess what? It's messing with our skin's protective layer, leaving us vulnerable to oxidative stress. Picture this, your skin, just like a bitten apple, starts to oxidize. Those pesky dark spots? Yep, they're the aftermath of this silent villain. But fear not. I've got your back with the top tips to shield your skin from this digital menace. First up, invest in blue light blocking screen protectors. Next, set your devices to night mode before bedtime, it's a game changer. And oh, don't forget the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break, and look at something 20 feet away. Your eyes and skin will thank you. And the ultimate secret weapon against dark spots? Say hello to Illuderma. This serum is your superhero, armed with antioxidants to combat oxidative stress and keep your skin looking flawless. Host, enthusiastic, so hit that like button, share this video, and let's spread the word about blue radiation. Together, we'll defy the digital odds and keep our skin radiant and healthy. Subscribe for more tips, and until next time, stay glowing, my friends. Rock